Girl, can I tell you something?
That serious face means one of two things. You failed a test, or you saw a cockroach.
No, worse.
Worse than a cockroach? That is a big problem.
I want to speak in English, but I feel scared every time.
Oh, English fear. Very famous problem.
My hands get cold, my mind goes blank, and then I say nothing.
Relax. English is a language, not a lion.
For you, maybe. For me, it feels like a lion.
A lion?
Yes, a lion with grammar.
Okay, that was actually good.
I'm serious.
I know, and you're not alone. So many people feel this. They know some English, but fear stops them.
Yes, that is me.
Then today, we will talk about it. Slowly, simply, no pressure.
Okay.
Tell me, what scares you the most?
Mistakes. If I say something wrong, I feel very bad.
You think people will laugh?
Yes, or judge me.
That fear is very common.
When I want to speak, I first think in my own language.
Right.
Then I try to make it English in my head. Then I think about grammar.
Yes.
Then I forget the words.
And by that time, the other person has already gone home.
Exactly.
That is called overthinking.
I do that a lot.
Before even speaking one line, you are fighting a full movie in your mind.
True.
And sometimes you don't know words, right?
Yes, many times. I know what I want to say, but not the English word.
Then what do?
I stop.
Uh-huh.
Or I say, leave it.
See, the real problem is not only English.
Then what is it?
Fear, shame, and the wish to sound perfect.
Perfect English.
Yes, you want every word right, every grammar right, every sound right.
Because bad English sounds embarrassing.
No, silence is worse than bad English. Listen, when a child learns to speak, do we laugh?
No,
Why?
because the child is learning.
Exactly. When you speak English, you are also learning. So why be so hard on yourself?
I don't know. I just feel small when I make mistakes.
Mistakes do not make you small. They show you are trying.
But confident people speak so easily.
You know the secret?
What?
Confident people are not always better. Sometimes they are just less scared.
Really?
Really, they speak even when the sentence is not perfect.
So confidence comes first?
Action comes first. Confidence comes after.
So speak first, confidence later?
Exactly.
Okay, let us test your English fear right now.
Right now?
Yes, small test, very easy.
I don't trust you're very easy.
Say one simple line in English, anything.
Okay. Myself, Ria.
Yes, the classic.
Wrong?
Little wrong. Better, I am Ria or my name is Ria.
Okay, I am Ria.
Perfect. See, no earthquake.
Fine.
Next line. Tell me what you do.
I am study in college?
Very close. Better, I study in college or I am a college student.
Why is English like this?
Because English likes drama.
True.
One more. Tell me how you feel.
I am fear?
Not I am fear. You're not a horror movie.
Oh no.
Better, I am scared or I feel scared.
Okay, I feel scared.
Good, very good.
But when you correct me, it feels okay. But when you correct me, it feels okay. Attack mode.
Yes, learning needs a safe place, not a scary place.
That makes sense.
And also, your mistakes are cute.
Please don't say that.
Fine, your mistakes are powerful and historic.
Better.
Now listen carefully. I will tell you some simple things, not big theory, real things.
Okay, I am ready.
First, speak small sentences.
Small sentences.
Yes, do not try to speak long, fancy English.
Example?
Instead of saying, I would like to express my feelings regarding this situation, just say, I want to say something.
Oh, simpler.
Yes, English is easier when the sentence is short.
I always try to make big sentences, then I get stuck.
That is the problem. Start small. I am tired. I need help. I like this. I don't understand.
That feels possible.
Good. Second, do not translate too much in your mind.
But I always do that.
Try to think directly in simple English, very basic English.
How?
Look at a cup and say, this is a cup. Look at a door. The door is open. Look at yourself in the mirror. I am getting ready.
So use what I see.
Exactly. Use your daily life.
That sounds easier than translation.
Much easier. Third, practice every day.
Every day? Even for 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes is fine. 10 minutes is better, but daily is important.
What should I practice?
Speak about your day. Speak about food. Speak about your room. Speak about your plans.
Alone?
Yes, and that is point number 4.
Talking to yourself.
Yes, congratulations. I am giving you permission to talk to yourself.
I already do that, but not in English.
Now do it in English. When you wake up, say, I am sleepy. When you cook, say, I am making tea. When you are late, say, oh no, I'm late.
This is funny.
Funny works. Funny helps memory.
True.
And the last thing, do not fear mistakes.
Hard one.
I know, but listen, every mistake teaches you something. If you never make mistakes, you're probably not trying enough. Bad English today, better English tomorrow.
So I should not wait for perfect English?
Never. Perfect English is a trap.
A trap?
Yes, people keep waiting, and never start.
That is me.
Then stop waiting. Start speaking. Okay, now role play time.
Again?
Yes, but this time, real life. You are meeting someone for the first time.
Okay.
I am a new friend. Start.
Hello?
Good. Continue.
Hello, my name is Ria.
Nice.
I am a college student.
Very good.
I like reading books and listen music.
Great correction. Listening to music.
Right, listening to music.
Great. Continue.
I am learning English now, so sometimes I speak slowly.
Wow, that's excellent.
Really?
Yes, very real, very clear. One more line.
Nice to meet you.
Perfect.
That felt good.
See, you did it.
But in real life, what if I forget a word?
Then say a simple line. For example, sorry, my English is not strong. Or, please give me a moment.
Oh, that helps.
Yes, you do not need to run away. Just stay in the conversation.
Can we do one more? Maybe ordering food?
Of course. I am the waiter. Welcome, madam.
Okay. Hello. I want 1 sandwich and 1 tea.
Good.
I don't want sugar, please.
Nice.
And how much?
Perfect. Very natural.
That simple?
Yes, real English is often simple.
I thought I needed big grammar.
Not for basic conversation. First, speak, then improve.
I like that. You know, I feel lighter now.
Good.
Before this, English felt like a big wall.
And now?
Now it feels like a small door.
Nice line.
I think I was waiting to sound perfect.
Most people do.
But now I understand I just need to start.
Yes, small steps.
Small sentences.
Good.
Daily practice.
Yes,
No overthinking.
exactly.
And no fear of mistakes.
That is the big one.
Can I say something in English properly by myself?
Please go ahead.
Hi, my name is Ria. I am learning English. I feel nervous sometimes, but I will keep speaking. I will make mistakes, and I will learn. I do not need perfect English. I just need courage.
That was beautiful.
Really?
Yes. Clear, honest, strong.
I never thought I could say that.
And you just did.
Thank you for not laughing at me.
I laughed, but with you, not at you.
True.
Listen, every confident speaker was once a nervous beginner. The difference is, they did not stop.
Then I will not stop.
That is the spirit.
I will speak in English, little by little.
Yes.
I will not hide because of fear.
Good.
I will not wait for perfect English.
Exactly.
I will start now.
And that's the message for everyone listening.
Start speaking.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Small sentence today,
One more tomorrow.
and slowly,
Your fear becomes confidence,
your broken English becomes better English.
and your silence becomes your voice.
So speak,
Even if your voice shakes,
even if you make mistakes.
even if you feel shy.
Start speaking. Don't wait for perfect English.
And also, please remember,
What?
English is still not a lion.
Yes, I know.
Good. Then go speak.
Yes, I will.